Loss has shaken our small churches and all our churches in Brisbane and in South Queensland, of which I am the superintendent. So on behalf of the Wesleyan Methodist Church, I offer this verse of comfort from Jesus. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. In this prayer service tonight, may we encounter the one who can give us rest even in the midst of pain and loss.
And to share in this special gathering and prayer vigil. On Tuesday night, a fierce and terrible heartache came to a home on Wagonsdale Street. It tore apart a quiet suburban street. It ripped through the hearts of a close-knit community. It has taken 11 loved ones, so many of them much-loved little ones. It has left us all in shock and in sorrow and sadness. To those who knew and loved the ones we have lost, it has brought suffering and unimaginable grief. The people of Queensland share your pain and your sorrow. We come together tonight because we know that grief can only be borne if it can be shared. Tonight we come together to offer comfort, to bring solace, to wrap our arms around friends and families, and to share the burden of this too heavy load, and to say that those who have lost so much, you are not alone. Tonight I hope you can feel around this hall the love and care of friends and family and loved ones who are with you. But I hope you can also feel that there are across Queensland and across Australia and in your countries of origin, thousands and thousands of people who tonight are keeping you in their thoughts and holding you safe in their prayers. You should also know that your government will walk with you side by side in the many difficult days and the long journey ahead. We also come together tonight in strong bonds of faith and bonds of family and friendship to remember those loved ones who have been lost and to hold them close in our hearts.
And I thank you all for coming to show your love and support for the families who have experienced such tragedy in the loss of 11 lives. Our heartfelt sympathy goes out to you now. And the other families, Misty and I believe Jeremiah are still on site. In tragic times, our strong, caring community rally and become one culture, humanity. Yesterday was the saddest of sad days for our city. It was the worst tragic loss of life our city has ever experienced. At this time, the pouring out of grief is heartbreaking. And to quote Psalm 34, the Lord is close to those who are of a broken heart. The Samoan and Tongan community are a tight-knit community. They love deeply, they mourn deeply, and we mourn with you. Jeremiah, Missy, and Hal, may God give you all the strength you need to get through this tragic time, and know that your family, your relatives, and the community at large, and the nation at large, are mourning with you and share your sorrow.